absolutely fantastic. The students have put up such a good show.
And the projects are on various topics. और बहुत बेहतरीन projects बने हैं.
And it was very nice and very appreciating to the young kids are doing very well.
I guess it was really amazing. According to me, yeah, for sure.
बहुत ही अच्छा है. आके खुशी होती है जब बच्चों को इस तरह से करते हुए देखते हैं.
Hello everyone, we are back in the campus of the Tribhuvan School today. Today is a day full of fun, excitement and exploration. You might be wondering that what's so special in TTS this time? This time we are back with another event with a bunch of joy and learnings, a science carnival. Care to elaborate? Sure, this science carnival is a lively event where students showcase their science projects through interactive displays, demonstrations and experiments. Such events go a long way, leaving a benchmark behind. Maintaining its legacy, Tribhuvan again is on a mission to make the students learn things through real-life experiences. These are not just mere opportunities but a chance to learn, create and innovate things. Greetings to all. I'm Vritti Singh and I am Akifa Alam. We, on behalf of the entire Tribhuvan family, welcome you to the Tribhuvanenza Science Safari. This looks interesting. Let us ask few questions to the participants of the Science Carnival. Hi, how are you?
Enthusiastic.
Can you explain what is this all about?
This is all about how the universe formed from the Big Bang, how the Earth formed and how it evolved to its present condition.
Thank you so much. It was the most surprising thing that you learned in the process of preparing for this carnival.
That even after being from humanities, we are presenting here.
And it is all the curiosity, the creativity.
That's a very smart answer. Thank you so much.
Now, when earthquake comes, there are jagged like big. It is sensed by this nerve.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning. Fine.
Ma'am, I have a quick question for you. That is, ma'am, you did see the students preparing for the fest from our past few days, especially yesterday while setting up the stalls. Their enthusiasm was something else. Their eyes had something else. They were glittering up. So you must have had some expectations for the main event. Today, finally, at the day of event, do you think that the pupils exceeded your expectations?
I think I was very happy to see the children's enthusiasm, and the main objective of this science safari is to build the curiosity among the children, right from my small kids of pre-primary to class 12. And I think I'm very much happy and I'm succeeded in our fulfilling our objective to see this enthusiasm and the wonderful projects, live experiments, and the STEAM projects and the robots. It's really I think you all have done a great job, and I'm very happy to see you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. RFID based project, we are going to showcase how the toll system works. It shows access denied. When you sign the subscribe card, this will lift and the car can easily move and park. That's an amazing project, I must say.
This project works so there's a sensor is embedded at the front of the dustbin, and when the sensor senses the hand, then the lid will open automatically.
Can you show me?
Please go and enjoy those games. Collect the
Oh, that's a really nice project. And did you face any challenges while making this project?
Yes, there were many. Yes, there were many challenges like coding problems, wiring problems, and many other things.
enjoy those games. And
Thank you so much. Hi guys, so we are here to have a small interaction with you. So as we can see, this is the project of carbon purifier. So let us ask few questions with the participants. So what is this project about?
Like the factories that release carbonated air into the atmosphere. Our concept is to reduce carbon emission and make the air quality cleaner so that it could be useful for everyone. It will benefit the environment a lot.
Hi, what's up?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine. Your project looks amazing. Can you please tell me what is this all about?
It's a biodegradable plastic which I made and my teammates made. Normal plastic as compared to the normal plastic. As compared to the normal plastic, it's so hazardous. It doesn't dissolve in water and it takes millions of years to dissolve. It harms nature as well as animals. But what if we could make plastic from natural things? Confusing, right? So me and my teammates made this plastic bioplastic, which involves the ingredients cornstarch, water, vinegar and glycerin. For flavor, you could use honey or vanilla essence.
That's an amazing concept, to be very honest. All the best. Thank you. Can you please explain what is this project all about?
This project is about a hologram. As we are using a digital screen, which is presenting a 3D images inside this box, where a glass has been input. This project is also used for entertainment purposes, healthcare facilities in other states.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.
The game section looks very fascinating. Let's go and take a look then. Hi friends, so what is this game all about?
Well, first, this game, it's a very simple game, but it takes a lot of patience. There is this loop. We have to pass this loop through the entire coast without touching the aluminium wire. If it touches the wire, the buzzer will buzz. If the buzzer buzzes twice, you will be out of the game.
Oh,
You have to complete the entire course in under 1 minute.
that's look very nice. Can I try it?
Of course, if you are ready to take up the challenge. Patience is not your key.
Thank you so much. Uh-oh. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Can you explain what is this game about?
This game is basically about bubbles. It's like very easy. We have made it to specially attract kids. So basically what you have to do, you have to take the solution and then dip the straw in it and blow a bubble here, then another bubble inside that bubble and the third bubble inside those two bubbles. It's very easy. You can play if you want.
Would you like to try this game?
I think you should go ahead first.
No, you should go ahead. Please give me the mic. We can't. That's not our job. Morning. What is this game about? It explains law of inertia, and what we have to do, we'll have to hold the thread from there, and you will get 2 chances.
In 80
You will-
seconds.
Yes.
And you have to drag and you don't go off track. You have
The
to
ball
move
should-
in the track.
The ball should not fall, and you will have 2 chances.
In 80 seconds.
All right.
Yeah, nice.
That's cool. That's really fascinating. Oh, done. It was an amazing game, and thanks for letting us try. All the best. Thank you so much. What is this game about?
This game is about laws of reflection. You have a maze made out of different plane mirrors, and we'll give you a laser, and you'll have to navigate the laser throughout the maze and hit the jackpot. And once you do it, the gift is yours.
Okay, can I try it?
Absolutely.
I don't know how to play this. Thank you so much for letting us play it. All the best. Hi, this project seems very interesting. Would you like to explain this to us?
Sure. So we have made a chargeable electric motorboat. So solar panels charge the chargeable battery, and with the help of the chargeable battery, our motorboat will work. Same with the home supply system, and buzzer as a doorbell, and LED as a light and fan. It conserves petroleum products and mainly uses natural resources like sun. And for more details, you can see our posters. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
This is the hydraulic braking system we use in the cars. So this is our wheel which rotates. And this is the brake fluid which flows and gets the piston up, and it stops the wheel.
Oh, that's really interesting. Thank you so much. गुड मॉर्निंग सर। तो आपसे मुझे एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने अभी इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पर देखे, इनमें से आपको सबसे अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट या मॉडल कौन सा लगा और क्यों?
There are various projects which I have seen, and किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट को ईयर मार्क करना इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज सारे बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है, एंड द प्रोजेक्ट्स आर ऑन वेरियस टॉपिक्स, और बहुत बेहतरीन प्रोजेक्ट्स बने हैं। तो इस वजह से किसी एक को तो करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है, but it's a very good attempt by all the children of the school.
Thank you so much. How was your experience here, sir?
Experience is very good, और इस तरह की चीज़ें साल भर में 2-3 बार होनी चाहिए. This encourages the children also and the parents also to let them participate in these type of extracurricular activities.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. आपको आज का कार्निवल कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही अच्छा है, आके खुशी होती है जब बच्चों को इस तरह से करते हुए देखते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
और सर आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके बच्चों का ऐसे एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होना उनकी मदद करता है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है ये सब, क्योंकि मैं जहाँ से आता हूँ गाँव से आता हूँ और ये मेरी बच्ची है, तो ऐसे में जो मेरे साथ पहले होता था कहीं मंच पे किसी के सामने बोल नहीं पाना, तो ये इन लोगों के साथ है कि शुरू से ही बचपन से ऐसा माहौल मिलता है तो ये किसी के सामने बेझिझक बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है।
सर हम उम्मीद करते हैं आपको यहाँ अच्छा लगे। थैंक यू सर। Live experiments are always fun to watch. So here's where the stalls for the live experiment of our school begins. So let us question the students. अभी आपने उसमें हाथ डाला, आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
अच्छा।
Thank you.
Let your papa hear the question, child.
How was your experience after coming in the Tribhuvan school?
Actually, it was really nice. And we really enjoyed the innovative ideas that children has displayed over here. I visited across all the counter almost, and it was really nice. Some of them are really exciting. If it is being implemented by bigger agencies, then it would be something. It would be better for society.
Thank you so much, sir. We can see the toddlers and children enjoying the amazing rides that have been set up by our school. You can you explain about your project?
Yes.
Hold the mic.
In this model, the sun is attached to the slow motor under its base. The slow motor is connected to the plug there, and all tires are attached to the sun. I have used cardboard for the base, thermocol ball for the planets, paper cups for the base, and wool for their orbit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, kid. That was a really good explanation.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Sir, how was your experience at Tribhuvan this time?
Excellent. This science exhibition called Tribhuvenza, absolutely fantastic. The students have put up such a good show. I can see so many innovative ideas and so many wonderful displays that each and every student has made. And I can see the involvement of all the students, all the teachers and faculty and all the staff, everyone. Very vibrant, very nice, and best of luck to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we have a YouTube channel that's called as The Tribhuvan School. We would love it if you subscribe to our channel.
We will subscribe surely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's nice to hear, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
How are you feeling after dressing like APJ Abdul Kalam?
Fine.
Okay, that's a very interesting answer. So, this project.
Project Clip hydraulic press.
So, how does this work?
It works by the water pressure. It can lift up and down by water pressure.
Can you show me how this project works?
That's fantastic.
That's a really nice project. I'm fascinated with this project.
So, is this drone made by you?
Art blue.
So,
Hello everyone, I am Kavya Singh, the leader of the Radar Rebel, and we are from class 6B. Today we have made the radar system using the Arduino Uno board and the ultrasonic sensor. What this does is, as you guys are in front of it, it senses that and sends the signal to the laptop. As you can see, it shows red lines, signaling that something's in front of it. It can be used in measuring distance, object detection, security system and air traffic. It can be even used in your houses to protect your house.
thank you. That's an amazing project. Thank you. So, can you tell us what your project is about?
Yeah, it's gesture control car, and this is mainly used for the wireless connection and touchless control. It is used in areas where touchless control is needed. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, it is being controlled by the gesture without any wire.
It's an amazing project. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm good. I'm in fact great.
So, ma'am, we have a small question for you.
What message would you like to give to the young inventors of our school after seeing this beautiful science carnival?
See, the message is loud and clear. Young people, the young students, they all are great. Each one of them can do wonders. And this, science is all about wonders. And one thing I would like to say that you all keep your curiosity alive, because curiosity is the basic step towards being a great scientist. So everybody, all the best and God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine, very good, very enthusiastic, very. Today I am happy to see the performance of our students. All from the pre-primary to grade 11th, all have done wonderful work today.
And how was your experience in the science safari today?
Science safari was really excellent today and successfully. I am thankful to God and the whole management, all my teachers, all my students, that they very successfully in a grand way they concluded this science safari today. All the parents were happy. The chief guest, Dr. Anand Kumar, who had come, he was really impressed and he has given some tips to our students, and they should be really inculcate those curiosity in them. Then only they will be doing excel in their whatever field they will go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
The students seem to have a lot of fun here. As we come close to the end of this video, we would like to extend our thanks not just to the management, teachers and the students, but also to the parents and guardians who have kept faith over Tribhuvan. We express our heartfelt gratitude for your support and faith. Such successful events are not possible without your role. Thank you.